should pay 70% of my income above $2 million in tax?
$2 million a year?
Yes. Do you think?
your next dollar should be taxed at 70%?
Okay, so if that's the deal, you know what I would do? Once my income got to $2 million, I would stop working for the year. I would furlough my employees and say, you know what? I've made my limit. I'm not going to work for 30 cents on the dollar. I'm playing golf. I'm going fishing. I'll see you next February. How about that?
Now, merong tumataas na sentiment ngayon, lalo na nasa crisis tayo, to tax the rich more. Now, the problem with that is hindi natin tinetake in consideration si human nature. Unang-una, bakit mo sila paparusahan? Dahil lang sa mas nagtatrabaho sila. Dahil lang sa mas capable sila. At gusto nyong ibigay yung nakolekta nyo doon sa mas mahihirap na walang ibang ginawa kundi magsugal, mag-inom, tumambay. 'Di ba? Gusto nyong rewardan yung mga putyo-putyong trabaho nila. How is that even fair? And if you think you've successfully done that, ano sa tingin mo yung mararamdaman nung nagtatrabaho? 'Di ba?